Quick little video on how I set my Kranzle 1322 total stop up. So what I did here, here's my garage. What I ended up doing was putting it up on a shelf pretty high up. So when I'm power washing outside, I don't really hear the power washer, even though this is very quiet. So I got this shelf from OG Garage, power washers up there. And really up there, I put an outlet to go directly plug into. I pretty much fed power from my power breaker, a circuit breaker in my basement. This is 20 amp, ran a line up. And then what I've got here is a switch. If I want to turn my power washer on, let's do one of those. And then what I have here is a hot cold hose bib. This is from Prior. I will link this in the description below. What I love about this is you can run straight hot water or cold water, or you can mix them together to this valve. All right, so every time I use my power washer, so what I'll do is, I've got my hoses right here. So I'll take my Cobra Jet hose, it's linked on here. I'll drop one side down, come up, plug it in just like that. I'll run the hose to the bottom of my driveway. Next thing I do is I take this. I've got a plastic quick disconnect right here. I like the plastic because over the seasons, those brass and metal ones will corrode, and the quick disconnect feature will kind of like slop out and be a little more difficult to use. I've had this on here for 2 years now, and I've had no issue disconnecting or quick disconnecting. So now we got this hose right here. I'll take the other end of the quick disconnect hose, take it off the reel, come up here. I'll come up here, plug it right in. I've got this 90-degree brass fitting right here down to a quick disconnect. Take my hose and plug it right in. I also keep my power washer wands on the wall here, so I can grab these and go down to the driveway. If I'm ever killing bugs in the summer, I go full hot in the water. This goes up to my Kranzle right here, and all I have to do now is turn it on. We're good to go. So just to recap, I really recommend having a hot cold water bib right here next to your power washer. That way you can also, all your hoses are being hung up right here. Take the hoses off. Make sure you have your quick disconnects right here. Put your power washer on a switch and you're good to go. As always, everything used in this video will be linked in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you next time.